So I decided to add windows to my garage. I hope I know what I'm doing since I just cut a hole in the side. Use angle iron that is large enough to cover the corrugation. I cut the first frame to reverse the bottom section. The idea was, water would have to travel upwards to enter the building. A safer design, but it turned out a little ugly. I didn't do this for the second window. I bought a piece of acrylic from the hardware store. It's less likely to fog up over time than polycarbonate. I used it to size up the frame nice and tight. Weld in tabs to bolt the acrylic to. The spacing on the corrugation was perfect to set the edges on a high point in the pattern. I just needed to locate a center. Best to wait for a nice clear day before cutting a hole in my building. Transfer the holes in the frame to the acrylic. Bolt the frame to the corrugation. Seal up the frame with silicone. Admittedly, I'm not the best at this part. Install riv nuts into the tabs to hold the acrylic. This way I can easily bolt the acrylic from one side. Let's add a second window over my electrical workbench. I keep the frame design simpler on this one, and I was much happier with the way it looked in the end. Use clear silicone to seal the acrylic to the frame. I also did a bead on the outside around the tabs, but I forgot to record it. Now when it's cold, rainy, and windy outside, I can still get some natural light in my garage. I get seasonal depression, so this is a big help during the winter when working on projects. I hope you found my little project helpful, or at the very least entertaining. Either way, thank you for watching.